Never again throw oil away. Reuse, doing something that will last a lifetime. You will be amazed by this tip. To start, we will use a small container. The ideal is also the use of half a cup of water. Next, I will also use a tablespoon of fragrant oil, being an indispensable item for bringing the aroma that the environment needs. The ideal next is to mix well. Now we will use a small amount of oil. Preferably we will use the oil left from some recipe. Whenever we use oil, we end up playing a quantity only when booking and using a small amount of old oil. In this tip, you will be surprised. The secret of this tip is to use the oil to prepare a type of candle. And for this, I will cut the bottom of a plastic cup. I will cut the whole bottom, and then we will make a hole in the middle, which will serve as the basis for the wick of the candle. This tip is perfect for decoration. In addition to bringing a greater aroma to the environment, you can use in all rooms. You will surely thank me for this tip, and all your visitors will ask you how it was to make a candle that lasts so long and still perfumes the whole environment. Now we will put the wick, and for support, I will tie a knot, preventing it from leaving the site. The contact of the wick of the candle direct with the oil will keep it lit for longer, and the direct contact with the fragrant oil perfume the environment. The most suitable is to use this tip, especially in the bathroom, always maintaining a great aroma. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Sandra Mathubela from Algeria. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. The use is simple. Just by lighting the candle, I can leave it in place and will remain lit for many hours. This is the differential of this tip. For conventional candles, having a much longer duration, even using a small wick, and still keeping lit for much longer. You can even prepare this tip with different scents, or even using concentrated fabric softener with water, and thus achieving a great perfume for use, mainly in the rooms. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.